Hello, this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and this is Acrylics Tuesday, learning acrylics. This week, well, you know, I always do overlays, so I took the liberty of doing that off camera. As usual, that way I can save some time. I use this beautiful acrylic mix called Halloween Nights by the Nail Junkie. I believe my brand ambassador code across the bottom of the screen. Look how beautiful that is. Looks like a pot of gold floating around a sea of orange. It's beautiful. Just stunning. You can save yourself 20% off is my code for the Nail Junkie. I have buffed and filed the nails. We're gonna top coat, and then I made these two itty bitty little bears. Look how cute those are. Trying to get in the frame right. I thought those were so very cute. I made those myself, and I'm going to put them on the nail with some top coat. Where is my wax picker upper? We're gonna need that. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of the acrylics, the little teddy bears I just shown you. They're super easy to make with the silicone molds. I got that from AliExpress. I just love watching the acrylic come to life after it's been buffed and filed. And then when you top coat it, it's just stunning. Hey, look at those two nails, the difference in them. Between here and here. I think that's a world of difference. Fan your brush out. Top coat your nail. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future giveaways, uploads, any important, things that I think you may need to know. Currently, I'm trying to get people's opinions of a gift for a giveaway. Should I start it currently and draw January 1st to start the new year off right? Or it's only going to be for one lucky winner, might I add. Or start the giveaway January 1st. I'm kind of undecisive about that. I'm not adding any bling, just the teddy bears. So this is going to be like an autumn teddy bear manicure. I think that's where we're going to almost leave them. There we go. Trying to center them as best as I can. But I think the teddy bears are really cute. I think they are super cute. And partial because I made them myself. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp for a full cure, which is 60 seconds. And we shall be right back. Alrighty, I am back. We are fresh out of the lamp with my little fall teddy bear manicure. I think these teddy bears are too sweet. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the little teddies and my Halloween orange manicure called Halloween Nights. I think it's pretty cute. I love the orange. I do for fall. And the gold that's in it, I think it just totally sets the fall mood. And the teddy bears, well, I have the little silicone mold. Got this off AliExpress, and this is I used the biggest teddy bears for both of these. And they're really super easy to make. I had a lot of fun doing it. I'm going to try and make some up for Christmas if I can find the right color of red and green polish. So, like I asked, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all. That way you get notified of all future giveaways and uploads. I know this is a short little sweet video, but I haven't done a lot of acrylics lately, and I really wanted to do one. And to do it on my camera just takes so much time, and I didn't think y'all wanted to sit through it, so I did it all on my own on the DL, on the side. Next week we'll do another acrylic, hopefully. Maybe some encapsulation. Food for thought. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.